how to enable or disable auto protect Wi-Fi on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here, click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on Security and Privacy. After click on Security and Privacy, scroll down and click on More Security Settings. After click on More Security Settings, click on Secure Wi-Fi. After click on Secure Wi-Fi, and you will see Auto Protect Wi-Fi is here. If you want to enable Auto Protect Wi-Fi, so turn on this button. After turn on this button, you will see Auto Protect Wi-Fi is enabled. If you want to disable Auto Protect Wi-Fi, so turn off this button. After turn off this button, you will see Auto Protect Wi-Fi is disabled. You will enable or disable Auto Protect Wi-Fi from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can enable or disable Auto Protect Wi-Fi on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.